Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your TikTok account private on app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on Privacy button. You can see the first option is Private Account. Tap on it to make your account private. Thus, the process of making your TikTok account private on app has been completed. If you tap on the Private Account button again, your TikTok account will be public again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.